morning.
Good morning.
Yes. How are you
Mhm,
today, Ivan? It's nice to see you again.
mhm. It's good.
Oh, that's great. How about your school? How was it?
It is good. Yesterday, school was canceled because of a huge snowstorm that happened on Sunday.
Oh, I see. How about today?
School's, a- I had school today.
Mm, that's great. Okay,
Mhm.
so how was it?
It's
How
good.
was it? Oh, I see. All right. So I saw that you have some assignments today.
Mhm.
And yeah, of course, we are going to discuss that one first, okay? Before we proceed on our next lesson, all right? But how do you understand, Ivan, when we say capitalization? So how do
Uh,
you understand it? While
it's
I
by
am
by putting capital letters in the right spots.
all right. So how do you determine or how do you identify that that word needs to be in a capital letter?
Um, the first word in a sentence, proper names of people, places, and products, main words and titles and days, months, and holidays.
All right, that's right. So those are your notes, or those are the things that you need to remember. Okay, so in fixing capitalization in a sentence or in a paragraph, Ivan. So of course you need to capitalize the first word of the sentence. Okay, you need to remember that one. Then if you can see that there's a proper names of people, places, and products in the sentence, you need to capitalize it as well. Okay? And of course, what else? The main words in titles, the days, the months, and the
Weeks.
holidays.
Oh,
Yes, that's right. Or yeah, it's the weeks. Okay, so those are the words that you need to capitalize in, okay, rewriting the sentence. All right, but here I'm gonna show you. Um, yeah, do you have the book with you, the one that you sent with me? All
yeah.
right, okay, so it will be easy for us to do your So let me share the screen here so that you can see the picture. Then let's start with this one. Okay. So let's start with, all right. So before we proceed on this part, so again, when we say capitalization or fixing the capitalization, we need to first capitalize the first word in the sentence. Okay. So for number one, what is the first word that we have in number one?
We.
We. Okay. So in writing or in fixing capitalization, you need to remember that every time the first letter is in capital letter. Okay. So we need to write down here, okay, the letter W as a capital letter. Okay. So how do we write it down? Okay. It's correct on how you write it in number one. So with the capital letter W and then a
Um.
small E. Okay, like this.
Uh. Like a small, like two V's connected.
Here, no. So for we, just the letter W, the capital letter. So instead of we need to write down like this. We. Okay?
Uh.
Oh no. Here. All right. We. And then, okay, so can you please read first the whole sentence that we have in number one?
We bought my sis. We bought my sister Nike sandals.
Okay, so we both, my sister Nikki, is my sister. Oh, maybe it's we both, my sister. Uh,
Nike.
no, okay, Nike sandals from Canada. All right, so let me zoom it in here. Cannot see it. Okay, there. All right, can you just see it, Ivan?
Yeah.
It's clear. All right. Okay, so how do you write it down in a correct sentence? Can you show me how do you write it? Or yeah, can you recheck your answer for number one?
Yes, I put the from Canada underneath because my dad erased the from Canada because it was too small and it
Mm.
wasn't had enough space.
All right. So before we proceed on this one, so let's have this first. Cap okay, capitalize the first word in the sentence. So again, you need to the first word, you need to capitalize it as what you did here. Okay. Then, what does it mean when we say proper names of people?
Like a
A
name of
name.
a person.
Okay, like for example, we have your name. Okay, so Ivan, what else? Lady, what else? Math, Sophia. Okay, those are the proper names. Okay,
Okay.
when we say places, so when we say places, we have, like for example, we have,
Um, the CN Tower, Burj Khalifa, Statue of
okay,
Liberty.
that's right. So all of the places, Canada, okay, Australia, city, or what places is that? Okay, so you need to capitalize it. Okay, it's important. And how about when say main words in the title? So you need to write the title also in the capital letter. But then always remember that you just need to capitalize the important words. So like for example, when we have the title, um, let's say, um, okay, this one. So this is the title of the of a movie, let's say. So as you can see, the first word, you need to capitalize it, and then the second one, okay, the Avengers. Okay, so you need to capitalize the letter T here, then the next, the letter A for the second word. Okay, so all of the title of, is it a movie, a book, um, what else? Songs. Okay, so those are the examples of the titles of title of a book, a title of a song, a movie. So you need to capitalize it. Okay, so can you give an example for that, Ivan?
A title example?
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Let's say a title of a movie that you like.
Ninjago of Spinjitzus. I can type it.
Okay, all right. Let me see it. So how? Okay, you can write it with the correct capitalization. Okay, so that we can check it.
Ninjago.
Okay, Ninjago of. That's it?
Spinjitzu. No, Ninjago of Spinjitzu. I don't know where the Spinjitzu went.
Oh, okay. All right. So, but then on that example, so that's right. You have to capitalize the first letter N of the word, Ninjago, and then, okay, of, and then the last word. Okay,
Uh,
yes, that's right. You just have to follow it. Okay, you have to correct also that. You have to correct that the first word on the last word is in a capital letter. Okay, so that's right. Okay, now how about when we say products and the days and the months or the
um,
holidays?
like Friday.
Yes, example, Friday for the day, or let's say for the product. So we have here for number one, it's what is the product? What is the
Nike
brand?
sandals.
Yes, okay, that's right. So now let's write number one, okay, with the correct capitalization. So how do we do it?
The first letter of the in W.
Yes, that's right. So we, and then we both, my, do we need to
Sister.
capitalize? Yeah, do we need to capitalize the word sister?
Yes, it's a person.
It's a person. Is it a proper name?
No.
No. Okay, so we don't need to capitalize it because it's not a proper name. Okay, so when we say a proper name, you are using a name. Ivan. What else? Stephanie. All right, so what else? Mm-hmm.
Nike.
Yes, all right. So, again, sister, you don't need to capitalize the letter S. Okay,
Uh,
then Nike, of course, you need to because it's
it's a
a
brand.
yes, that's right. And then how about for the word sandals from Canada? What word do we need to capitalize?
Um, Canada.
Yes, that's right. Just the word Canada. Okay, so that is the correct one for number one. So as you write it down here, so you just need to change here this one, sister. Okay, so you
Uh,
just need to change this. Okay, so this is not in a capital letter. Okay,
uh,
so we both, my sister, Nike sandals from Canada. Okay, so we need to capitalize W, Nike, and then Canada. Okay, are you following?
okay. Mhm.
All right. Okay, next, how about number two?
Number two, the city of Chicago is hosting a Christmas festival in December. I already answered that.
Oh, now, can you just tell me what words did you put in a capital letter?
The Chicago Christmas in December.
Very good. Okay, so for number two, always remember the first letter, it should be in capital letter then. Okay, why do you capitalize letter C here? Or the word Chicago?
Because Chicago is a place in US.
That's right. Great job. And why do you capitalize Christmas?
Because it's a holiday.
Yes, that's right. Great job. And then we have the
December.
December. Okay, so you need to capitalize December as well because it's what?
It's a month.
It's a month. That's right. Okay, great job. Very good on that. Next, how about number three? Okay, let's read it, Ivan.
I learned about President Lincoln in a book called Born to Lead.
Mm-hmm. This time. Okay, can you tell me what are the words that you write it in a capital letter?
Um, I
Okay, given that okay, the first word. And then,
I'm just writing the words right now.
mhm,
President Lincoln.
okay, then, okay.
Uh,
Oh, you can also write it down there and then I can show it to me.
um,
So we have I and then,
uh, then I, President and Lincoln.
mm-mm, and what else? That's it?
Born to Lead.
Okay, so what word or what is the specific word that we need to capitalize in the word born to lead?
Born to Lead.
Hmm.
Born to Lead is um
What letter? It's
B,
letter B
B
and
and
then
L.
and L. Okay, great job. So I learned, okay, so you need to capitalize letter I. I learned about, okay, president. So president should be in Okay. It should be in a capital letter. Same with the name of the president. It should be in letter L or in a capital letter L. And born to lead. Why do we need to capitalize born to lead?
Because it's a book title.
That's right. Very good. Okay, so it's an example of a book title. Great job. Next. How about number 4?
My favorite singer is Katy Perry will sing firework this Saturday.
Mhm.
The words that are capital is my Katy Perry firework
Okay, so my
Saturday
favorite.
and also Saturday.
Okay, so I will show you how do we write it down here. So for number 4, the correct one. So let's say my favorite singer. So Katy Perry will sing. Oh, why do we need to capitalize firework? The letter
Because it's
F
a
in the
title
word
song.
firework. That's great. It's a title of this song. Okay. And then the last one, of course, we needed to in a, we need also to write it in a capital letter. Okay. So there you have it.
Right.
Okay.
I'm just rating all of them in the
All right.
correct one.
Okay. So for number 4, this is it. My favorite
Right.
singer, Katy Perry, will sing. Oh, we have double L here. Fireworks this Saturday. Okay, so great job. Okay, are you done with number 4?
No,
No, not yet.
I just finished 3.
Oh, I see. Okay, so you just for number 4, you can just put a line on the words or on the letters that you need to capitalize it. Okay, and then after our class, you can do it. Okay, you can write down so that
It's
it will
saying
be.
to rewrite the sentences below with the correct capitalization. So I
Yes.
have to
So
write the whole.
yeah, you need to write down the whole sentence for it if you answer. But then since that our time is limited here in our class, so in order for you to remember it, so you just need to put a small underline on the first letter of the word so that later on when you write it down, it will be easy for you. Or like for example, let's put an underlined on the letter M, letter K here, letter P. So it will be easy for you later. Okay. So you will not forget it. Okay.
Okay,
All right. Now let's proceed to number 5.
number 5. My
Hmm.
family visits California to hear the band Maroon 5 in October.
Oh, this time. How do we write it in a correct sentence using capitalization? So the word,
My California Maroon 5 October.
that's right. Okay, so my, okay, with a capital letter M. Okay, California, because it's a place. And then, why do we need to write Maroon 5 and for the
Be-
letter M in a capital letter?
because it's a band. It's a band.
Yes, it's a name of a band. And the last one, it's the word
October.
October. Very good. Okay. So my, and then California, Maroon 5, and October. So those are the words that you need to capitalize in number 5. All right, are we good?
Yep.
All right, so great. Next, let's have number 6. How about in this part?
In Jamaica, we drink a lot of Gatorade because it was hot there in July.
Mm-hmm. How about in this sentence?
Jamaica and Gatorade, July.
Okay, so we have first the letter I in the word
N. I mean in.
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 Yes, in. And then Jamaica. Okay, Jamaica is an example of
A place.
a place, correct? So we need to capitalize letter J. Okay, and then why do we need to capitalize the word Gatorade or the letter G in the word Gatorade?
Gatorade is because it's a brand.
Oh, okay, so it's a name of a product. It's a brand. Good job. And that's it. We only have three in number six.
And July.
Correct. And then July. Very good. Okay. Next, how about number seven, Ivan? Let's read
For
it.
Thanksgiving, we visit my grandpa in New Mexico.
Okay. So how about in this sentence?
For Thanksgiving, Grandpa New Mexico.
Okay. So we have four, and then
Thanksgiving,
Thanksgiving. Okay. Thanksgiving is an example of
a holiday.
a holiday. And then now for grandpa. So grandpa is a proper name or not?
No, but I heard nouns are meant to be capital. So
Yeah,
grandpa is
nouns. But here we are referring to the proper names. So when we say proper names, it's the noun in the sentence, but then usually we are using proper names to write it in a capital letter. Okay, so when we say proper names, you are just giving or you're giving a correct name. Okay, so grandpa is a noun, but it's not a proper name. Okay, so when we say proper name,
a
we
name
have
is a name like
yes, you're
Ivan.
that's right. You're giving a name of a person. So Ivan, lady, okay. So grandpa, we should not capitalize letter G on that. Okay.
Oh,
Next. Okay, just always remember Ivan for the proper names. Okay, so we usually use names. Okay, and that belongs to a noun. All right. Okay, so New and then New Mexico. So it's a name of
place.
a place. Great job. So just like here for number one, okay, sister. So your sister is also the noun in the sentence, but then it's not a proper name. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So now, how about for number eight? Last number.
In January, Henderson
Mayor.
Toyota.
Mm,
Those are the capitalization.
mhm. So what are the words that we need to capitalize here?
In January,
Mhm.
Henderson Toyota.
Toyota. Okay, it's a new
Camry.
word. Yes, that's right. So here, as you can see it here, Ivan, we need to capitalize letter I in the word in, and then what else?
J in January, H in Henderson, T in Toyota, and C in Camry.
Okay. Why do you think that we need to capitalize the word Toyota Camry?
Because it's um Toyota is a brand and Camry is is a type of car. Oh wait, no, it's a no Camry.
Okay. Now, why do you think that we need to capitalize the word mayor?
Mm, okay, sure.
Why? Why do you think?
I think because mayor is a person.
Okay, but then there's a name.
Oh yeah.
So what should be? Okay, so this one. Always remember, Ivan, for the proper nouns, okay, or for the proper name. So as you can see, we have the word Mayor Henderson. Okay, so it is already given that for the word Henderson, we need to capitalize letter H.
H.
Yes, that's right. But here's the thing, Ivan. If you can see a title of the person in the sentence, let's say we have mayor, president, what else? What is the other titles that you know? Doctor. Okay. What
Doctor,
else?
option, option, what is that doctor called for the, how do you pronounce the doctor for eye? The,
For what?
for the eye doctor, how do you call that? The optimist?
Oh, that's it. Yeah, but then you can simply say uh, no, when we say the title of the person, it's simply it's their title. Just like for example, Mayor Henderson, President Lincoln, what else? Dr. John, let's say that's it. Okay, so when you see that there's a title comes before a person's name, you need to capitalize both the words.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
all right. So can you give an example for that, Ivan?
An example for me for I visited Dr. John's office for a checkup.
Okay. So what is the proper name that has a title in the sentence that you provide?
Doctor and John.
Yes, that's right. So when we say, like for example, um, Dr. John, or always remember that when we say a title, it tells that who the person is or what are they do or what they do. What is their job? Okay? So let's say Mayor Henderson. So Mayor Henderson is a
Mayor Henderson is a mayor.
yes, it's a mayor. So he has a title. Mr. Cruz, okay, Mrs. That's it. Teacher Ann, teacher lady, Captain Lee. Okay, those are the examples of a title that you can see in the sentence. Okay, so always remember that one. So we are also including the title if we are referring to the proper names. Okay, so if you can see, just like this, there's a title, okay, before the proper name. So you need to capitalize it. All right? Are we
Okay.
good? Okay, so
Right.
that's it. Okay, so for number 8, for the last number here, so we have Ian, then January. Next, we have Mayor,
Henderson,
and then the last,
Toyota, and Toyota.
okay, Toyota
Oh, Toyota
Camry.
Camry.
Yes, that's right. Okay, so great job on that, Ivan. So we are going to take our 3 minutes break. Okay, after this one, we are going to review and answer your next assignment. Okay?
Oh,
All
bye.
right. Okay,
Bye.
so great job. Goodbye for now, Ivan.
Goodbye.